Okay, good morning, students. Uh, so, in the chapter electric potential and capacitance, so first of all, as we have gone through about the definition of electric potential, right? So, if you ask me what do you mean by this electric potential, okay? So, electric potential is nothing but how we are going to define electric potential. Okay, so this is nothing but electric potential. So electric potential definition itself says that the work done in bringing a unit charge from infinity to a given point against the electrostatic forces, right? So that is the definition of electric potential. So let us say that there is some charge here, okay? So let us say that there is charge. As you know that there will be a electric field, okay? So the charge has some electric field, right? So in order to bring an electron, okay, in order to bring a charge from infinity to a given point, let us say that I'll take some point here, okay? So that is nothing but inside the electric field of this charge, okay? So in order to bring a unit positive discharge from infinity to this given point, so what happens, whatever the amount of work that I am doing, so that is nothing but we call that one as the electric potential, okay? So you may ask what is the how we are going to express that work done. So since here I said that unit positive charge, right? So when I say that unit positive charge, so what happens, even this is a positive charge and unit positive charge small q is also a positive charge. So when I make that unit positive charge to bring at this point, what happens, there will be electrostatic repulsion. So I have to overcome that electrostatic repulsion and I have to bring this unit charge to this point. So whatever the work I am doing in order to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to this point against the electrostatic force of this, we call that one as the electric potential. So electric potential is nothing but written as V is equal to W by Q, work done per unit charge, okay, or work done is nothing but equal to V into Q. This is the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to this point, okay? So and the SI unit of this SI unit of electric potential comes out to be volt, okay? So this is regarding the electric potential. So next, coming to this potential difference, okay? So coming to this potential difference, it is one and the same. Let us say that you have a charge, okay, and you have a electric field, okay, you have a electric field. So what I am going to do is I'll take a 2 point, okay, I'll take a 2 point here, okay. Let us say this point as A and this point as B, okay. Let me say that the charge right now is at this point, okay. So the charge right now at this point A, so I need to move this test charge from A to B. So in order to move this test charge from A to B, what happens, what I have to do, I need to do work done. So that work done is against the electric field of this charge, source charge what you have taken, okay. So hence the work done I am doing from one point to another point to move a unit test charge from A to B is called as potential difference. So potential difference is nothing but it is denoted by V. So we are going to write this one as WAB divided by Q. So this is regarding the potential difference, okay, and the SI unit of this comes out to be the same thing, volt, okay. So this is regarding the electric potential and potential difference. For electric potential is nothing but work done in bringing a unit positive test charge from infinity to a given point against the electrostatic force. That is nothing but V is equal to W by Q, or if you want to find what is the work done, so that comes out to be V into Q. The SI unit of electric potential is volt, okay. Next, coming to potential difference, potential difference is nothing but work done in moving a charge from one point to another point against the electrostatic force, okay. So that is nothing but written as V is equal to WAB divided by Q. So and the SI unit of that comes out to be volt. Okay, so this is regarding the electric potential and potential difference. Hope you have come to know what is the difference between electric potential and potential difference now, right? Okay.